Our next posture or pose we're learning today is downward facing dog. In order to start this pose, move into that tabletop position. Knees underneath the hips and palms underneath the shoulders. Curl your toes under and rock your hips down towards the ankles and lift them up. There are some modifications for this pose as well. If you have a longer torso, you want to walk your palm one handprint forward. And from this position, try lifting your hips down and up. You might find this more comfortable. Press your hands down into the mat. One more thing that I want to bring to your attention is there's two different angles for this pose. One is lifting the hips up and working on the back of the legs and stretching the back of the legs. The line from the hips all the way down to the heels. And the other is the line from the hips to the fingertips. So bend both knees and pressing the floor away from you. Coming back down to the knees, I'll show you a modification. If you have sensitive wrists, you can bring your elbows down to the floor, clasp your hands, and curl your toes under and bring your hips up into the air this way as well. Here you can walk out the back of the legs or bend both knees and working on that upper body stretch.